Welcome to Moko Loko TV. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about phonic with words. Here we go. A for acorn. It is an acorn. B for bird. This is a bird. C for cactus. It is a cactus. D for dog. It is a dog. E for eggplant. This is an eggplant. F for fire. It is fire. G for gum. It is gum. H for hat. It is a hat. I for ice. It is ice. J for jet. It is a jet. K for kitten. This is a kitten. L for letter. This is a letter. M for monkey. This is a monkey. N for nut. It is a nut. O for owl. It is an owl. P for penguin. It is a penguin. Q for queue. This is a queue. R for rooster. It is a rooster. S for seal. It is a seal. T for telephone. It is a telephone. U. For. Upset. This is an upset. V. For. Volcano. It is a volcano. W. For. Wagon. It is a wagon. X. For. Xylocarp. It is a xylocarp. Y. For. Young. This is a young. Z. For. Zigzag. It is a zigzag.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.